So this lady that was driving this car here was in there walking with some dude. Then he left, and then she just came out here and sat in the car waiting for me to leave. And now that I'm leaving, she's going in there. That's rad. You know, ladies, we're getting kind of tired of the bullshit. You know, we're being accused of shit preemptively. We don't even have to do anything. I mean, you'll pick the bear over a dude in the woods. You know, look, there she goes. Whatever. But it's, you know, it's so offensive. It's so fucking offensive. You know? And I guarantee you that women commit more domestic violence than men do. I promise you. 100%. 100%. It just doesn't go reported. You know, because men, we can take it. Like, when you hit us, it doesn't really hurt. You're weak. It compared to us physically, it's just, you know, and I don't feel bad about saying any of this. I really don't, because, you know, the implication that we're all worse than a bear, that we're all going to rape you, it's so offensive that we just don't really give a shit anymore. Like, it's really starting to piss us off. And you can say, oh, Tango, there's no way women commit domestic violence more than men. Oh yeah? A woman can hit you and you're not supposed to do anything about it. You know? They can slap you, they can punch you, you know, and you can't hit them back. And they've been conditioned their entire lives that, you know, to just think that, oh, well, since I'm a woman, I can basically do whatever I want. You know, and then in the daylight at a public, you know, at the high school football stadium, in public, there's cameras. You don't feel comfortable while a man is walking, listening to music, walking. What do you think I'm gonna do, old lady? You disgusting old thing. Like, what do you think I'm gonna do? Anyway, sorry, that just it's just really irritating me, you know, and I see it a lot. And you know, young women are basically being conditioned too not to trust men, you know, and go get that bag, queen, and do all this other shit. Divorce him if he's not up to your standard, and then you instantly regret it. You know, you hoe around, go to the club, whatever you're doing. It's just not wife material. You don't know how to cook. You don't lift a finger around the house. You're not, you know, I see a lot of these out there, these videos. And yeah, I know it's not all women. I know it's not, obviously. Clearly. That would be like saying all men are going to rape you. You know what I mean? It's the same thing. But it's enough to where it's just really irritating, really tiring, and it makes us not want to try or care. I tell you right now, if I was at a gas station or something out in the wild and I saw a dude beating up on a chick, I wouldn't do shit. I wouldn't lift a fucking finger. In fact, I've seen it and I didn't do shit and I don't feel bad about it. It was this homeless chick who was tweaking with this other dude that was tweaking, and they were just roughhousing with each other. They're both consenting adults. They're fighting each other. I mean, fuck, she threw the first punch. But I ain't gonna do shit. Fuck no. Fuck no. You're not mine. You're not my charge. I don't give a fuck. Not my problem. Now, if my wife was getting assaulted or something by somebody, man, female, doesn't matter. Man, woman, doesn't matter. I would fucking end you. You fuck with me or mine, you're dead. You're dead to death. You're so dead. Because I'll protect what's mine. And a man that doesn't do that, especially doesn't think that way, oh, you are gross. I don't like you. You're disgusting. If you're a man and you wouldn't go full scorched earth on someone that's mistreating yours, whether that's your direct blood relatives, your son, your daughter, your cousin, your aunt, your uncle, your wife, fuck, your boyfriend, if you're gay, whatever, if you wouldn't go scorch earth, shame on you, buddy. Shame on you. That's our job. That's why we're built this way. That's why we have testosterone. We're bigger. We're faster. We're stronger. And we're designed that way to protect our, you can call it investments. To protect your property and your loved ones. Could you imagine? That'd be so funny. If two gay dudes who are in a relationship and they're both burly motherfuckers, they're both bears, right? Imagine they're at a bar and one of them's a little drunk and ends up getting fucking like bullied by some dude, and the other dude sees it and they go fucking ape shit gorilla mode on these motherfuckers. How funny would that be? Bro, you just got fucking ended. Stupid ass. What the fuck did you think was gonna happen? Oh, I'd pay to see that shit. I'd pay to see that. I don't go out anymore. I was gonna say I should, but it's like, why? I don't want to. My wife and I, we used to go to the bar all the time. We get a babysitter, dog sitter, and we'd go to fucking Salem, and we'd go to this place called the Wild Hare? No, that's Wild Horse? Horseshoe? Something. It's like a country western dance bar. Oh, there's always something going on. Always something. It's like, I don't want to do that. That doesn't appeal to me at all. I'd rather go, dude, you know what I would love? An 11:30 or noon, like, little concert at like a fucking restaurant, outdoors. I'd like that. Am I old now? I'm old, I'm officially old. I'd like to have a fucking Michelob Ultra while I'm eating fucking Eggs Benedict, listening to a bluegrass band. I'm old now. Fuck, I'm old now, dude. What did you guys do to me? What? I wasn't like this before I started making these videos. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I was. I've been old for a while. So, I'm gonna go have some fucking, some ramen. No, we don't do top. I mean, I'll sometimes have a top ramen little bag, but I like the big bowls of fucking ramen, and we put shit in it. Fucking excited. I'm fucking starving. Thanks for letting me. Thank you for listening to me rant I love you. And I'll catch you in the next video.